All my lecture series of C programming. In the last class itself, last video, we have seen that what is the function and what are all the types of user defined functions. And this lecture series, we are going to see about the input output functions using in C. So the input output functions mainly used to display the output in the console window, and also used to get the input from the user, and also you can get the input from the as in the form of scanf, as in the form of unformatted functions. So in that C programming, we have the standard input and standard output header files are used to store the all the input and output functions of C. Now we will see the classification of console input output functions. So in that it is classified as a formatted and unformatted. So in that formatted input output function, we have a four type of data type. For example, character, int, float and string. So based upon that, the input function and output functions are classified. So the scanf and printf are all are used for these type of data types. So using the scanf and printf, we can get the input and display the output as a console in the console window for character, int, float and string. In the unformatted input output function, so the mainly that unformatted is used for the character and string data type. So in that, the unformatted input functions are get ch, get che and get character. These are all are used for the character type, and output functions for the character types are put ch and put character. For the data type is a string. So string is a sequence of character. Suppose you want to get the sequence of characters in the unformatted format means, so we can use that get s for the input function. For the output, we can use that put as function. So these are all the major classification of input output function used in the C program. So whenever you are using these set of functions, first we have to include the header file as standard input output header file in the header section. So this is a very important one. And now we will see the what are all the output function, that is the unformatted and formatted and unformatted output function used for the C program. The formatted and unformatted output functions are printf, put character, puts and fprintf. In that, the printf is a formatted and put character, puts and f is an unformatted. Suppose where you are using to display the output from the file, we can use the fprintf. So these are all the four main classification in the C output functions. First we will see the what is the printf function and what are all the syntax of the printf functions. The printf functions, first it is in the three format of syntax. Just we can print the message in the output window. That is that syntax is printf, and within bracket within quotes we can display the what are all the message we want to display in the console window, that could be used in that within quotes. Next is in the printf, using the format things, we can display the variable in the output screen. So for displaying the output in the output screen from the variable name, we could use that address specifier in the within quotes. The address specifier used on the address specifier only, the value from the variable is displayed in the output screen. And next is a string format string. Suppose you want to display the string in the output screen means, we can use that string formatted strings. Next is that For example, consider this is an example. So we are going to display just the message in this program. The printf you are using only within codes குள்ள நம்ம C programming மட்டும் கொடுத்திருக்கோம். So what is the output of this program? So it displays only C programming in the console window. Suppose I want to display the integer output in the output console window, means we should use the format of printf. Then within codes we should specify the address specifier of integer is a percentage %d and followed by comma and the variable name. So this is the syntax for displaying the value of an integer in the output screen. So the test integer should be what is the value inside the test integer is 5. So the 5 is displayed in the output screen. Suppose I am going to display the character output, means we can use that percentage is C as an address specifier and display that character which is in the character value stored in the CHR that could be displayed in the printf statements. So this is about that printf. Next we will have that in the unformatted we have that put s and put character. So the put character are used to display the character in the output screen, and put s used to display the string in the output screen. So these are all the two unformatted output functions are used in the C program. So for example, considered for the putters. So now we are displaying, we are declare the character name array of 30 size, and printf is the first printf is used to display the only the message in the output screen. Next we are using the getter statement, we get the input input as a string format, and using the putters you are going to display the output as a string. So whatever you are typing, suppose I want to I am typing Vinodhini, means that Vinodhini is displayed in the output window. So these are all the output function are used in the C program, is in a formatted and unformatted. Suppose you are using the file get the output from the file, means we can use that f printf. So I hope you will understand what are all the classification of output function that could be used in the C program. Thank you.